So when you delete files on your computer, it's safe to assume that they're actually gone. Well, not exactly. Many of users assume that when you delete a photo or a file on your device, it disappears and cannot be recovered or tracked. That is not entirely true, and in this video I will explain what actually happens when you delete a file and how to actually make sure that the file is gone from our computer. So as an example, let's say that we delete a confidential file from our device. First it goes to the recycle bin where it can be fully recovered, but when you actually delete the file in the recycle bin, then visually it's gone from our computer and we can't access it anymore. When you delete a file, the operating system doesn't usually erase the actual data right away. Instead, it removes the file's entry from the file system directory, like a table of chapters in a book, marking the space on the storage drive as available for new data. The original data remains until it's overwritten by something new. So if you're interested in recovering data, you can do that with a program called Recuva, which is a free program that you can download from the internet. So if you would like to completely remove a file from your computer, you should use a program like CC Cleaner or File Shredder that will basically remove the file completely. So remember, because you deleted the file, it doesn't mean it's completely gone from your computer. If you would like to learn ethical hacking or basically technology, I have ready courses for you just to learn from. If you would like to support my channel, you can do that through the subscriptions. And thank you for watching, and peace.